Do you guys want to see how easy it is to design and purchase and get your own t-shirt? Well, today I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what I did to get this shirt from Fourth Wall. We're going to be doing a little unboxing today, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I designed my own t-shirt for my own small YouTube channel and show you guys exactly how you can do the same. So we're going to see how I designed this shirt right here, and we're gonna see what it looks like in real life. Now, I designed this shirt in Canva, and it was really easy. Just found some pictures online, made sure they had no licensing problems, so all the pictures I got were from Wikipedia, and most of the images you find on Wikipedia are like free licensing. Like, you can use them basically in your products if you want, and then everything else is just text that I got on Canva basically, which is pretty cool. It was pretty easy. I kind of followed a design that I saw on Pinterest, and you can also get some inspiration for designs from Canva as well. They have like a bunch of templates you can use, which is really helpful. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Now, I got an extra large because I like to wear my clothes a little baggy, and then worst comes to worst, it shrinks a little bit and it fits a little better. So that's that. Now let's go ahead and get to unboxing. So maybe I'll do a little montage. All right, guys, here it is. Ooh, it's looking good. And there's the shirt. Wow, I'm actually very pleased with it. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. Let's do one of these. Okay, and here it is on. Honestly, I'm really happy with it. The colors came out nice. The text came out nice. It feels like a very premium print as well, which is nice. The material, the cloth, is also very soft. Wow, I am actually very happy with this purchase. It's very true to the image as I had it on Fourth Wall. So yeah, honestly, this is a success. If you guys want to buy this shirt, of course, it'll be linked down below in the description, or you can go and check out my other channel that this is actually inspired by. This is a shirt to commemorate the 3-part series that I did on Tibetan Buddhism. So if you want to go check that out, I'll have a link probably up here in the corner to that little series. And part 3 of the series should be coming out soon, probably sometime this week. And yeah, this shirt is just made to commemorate that. So we've got some Tibetan Buddhist iconography, of course, the non-dualism, and we've got this Tibetan script at the bottom, which is the name of the Tibetan Book of the Dead in Tibetan. We've got CaveLight Studios, the name of my channel, and yeah, honestly, this came out great. In terms of my experience, speaking about my experience from Fourth Wall, honestly, it was really smooth. I made my website in no time. I mean, it took me like 10 minutes to get the website up and running. And you know, to set your pricing and billing and everything. They take care of pretty much everything for you to make it as easy as possible to just get your design on the site and then get your shirt in person and sell your shirt to the masses with your online store. And then also you're able to connect your store directly to YouTube, which is very helpful as well. So honestly, yeah, that's gonna be it from me. I am very happy with this purchase. 5 out of 5 stars, 10 out of 10 points, and I'll see you guys in the next one, guys. Thanks for checking this out. Peace out.